This is how to do the oil pressure switch on a BAM 1.8 turbo. Long extension, 1/2 inch socket and a 1/2 inch adapter. There you go, it's on top of it already. So there we are, we've got the boost pipe off, the battery off, and we've got access. Boom. No more oil pressure warning light. Only do this if you've already done the pickup and or the oil pump. So the hardest bit about this is getting your hand in down there. So the way I did it, I will show you right now. To get the plug off, you've got to obviously, like our VAG connectors, push it on, get the clip and then pull it off. Underneath here, there's the 2 coolant pipes, go above them. There's the 2 wiring bits to the alternator, and then from there you can go in here. You see the oil switch? Boom, I can spin it just going around that. There you go, you can see it. Boom, she's coming out. Come on, you beach. She's taking some spinning, ain't she? Boom. Failed oil pressure sensor. Flash switch. All oil in there, look. Look. Boom. So that's now back in with a new one, as you can see. Boom.